Hey yo, what's up guys? Welcome back guys, welcome back peeps, welcome back to my channel. You know what I'm saying? And I don't know if you guys can tell by the thumbnail and the title. Yeah, the first startup on the STI guys. So right now we're gonna go to AutoZone and probably Walmart because I don't think AutoZone sell pink coolant. Oh I'm pink, what the fuck, everything with pink. Blue coolant for the Subaru. So I'm gonna go to those two stores and now I'll probably do some research where to find blue coolant, the pink one. Oh, I said peak, you know, the coolant that Subarus pretty much run and stuff like that. So, and also I'm gonna pick up an oil filter as well. Since you guys see my last video, you can tell I installed my oil cooler yesterday, or last video. And yeah, peeps, she's lucky guys. I kind of like no nervous and all that. So hopefully everything goes well because yeah, I have no clue guys. And also we have to pick up a little attachment to the hoses because the ones I ordered was too big or too thick, so I gotta reorder those. We'll go out to the store, Home Depot, probably buy one, or AutoZone. AutoZone doesn't have it, but Home Depot for sure, or any hardware store. So we're gonna go there. There, peeps. So let's go. Let's go to AutoZone real quick. We got the oil. Alright guys, we got the oil, $5.30. And also we got the Asian peak coolant, which I highly recommend guys for Subarus or any type of Asian vehicle. And then we got the filter. So yeah, let's go back home, put it on, and yeah guys, sheesh. Oh, and I still gotta go Home Depot guys, by the way, or any store for like, to buy the filter. Pipe. So let's get to it guys. So right now guys, we installed the mid pipe, but the O2 sensor will not reach the original plug-in sensor up there. So I don't know what the hell's going on there, but honestly guys, it's too low. So I don't know what's going on. Pretty much is done guys. So all we have to do is go to Home Depot, put this part right here. Even though this supposed to be garbage after the first startup. So, yeah. Sheesh. Yeah, peeps. Dump tool right there. Right there. So, oh yeah, and this bong too, guys. I gotta put the sensor too as well. Alright guys, I'll come in the gasket for body throttle. Sheesh. Damn guys, look at this badass ETS family intercooler. Sheesh. Sexy as hell. Alright, it's pretty much done. Oil filter's on. I did want to get a new clamp, I actually went to get a new clamp. I'm gonna put that right now. Also, the fitting for right here for the two hoses, for the extension tank. And guys, I think it's ready to freaking start. Just put some oil, which is right there. So, shoo, let's get it, guys. Fuck yeah. All right, guys. So I went to Home Depot, got one of these, and thank God they hadn't stopped because, yeah, I've been looking for these for so long. Well, I could have gotten it online, which I did order online, but it was too big, so I'm gonna return that shit back. And the one I bought from AutoZone. So, pretty much, this goes right here. Jeez, perfecto. And then that goes like that. So this one goes right there. I need a flathead. which is right here. Make this tight because it's coolant, so you don't need it tight guys, but just make sure you nice and firm. So when I leak, you know. There you go, just like that guys. Let that focus, yeah, right there. Simple as that. If you guys want the same gasket for the body throttle, it's right here. I actually ordered from Sobe Bonds, so I'll link it down below in the description. You guys can cop it. Also, guys, I got the belt for the pulley. So yeah, from AutoZone. Alright peeps, that's pretty much literally it of my STI build series. So everything looks good, everything's all connected. I double check everything, and then you can put the battery on, put the oil and the coolant. Okay guys, I'm kind of nervous. I don't know if you can tell by my voice, but so let's see how this goes. Ready?
I mean, it's not gonna leak luego. When you start it, it's just when it starts to pressure.
Good?
You know how to get the... It's leaking.
Deadass?
Deadass. Right there, look.
There you go.
I just heard it. I literally just heard it.
God damn it. Make sure any.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna throw it. I'm gonna prime it after done. Make sure there's no leaks.
Esos putos perros, man. No way. He's probably just freaking out. Seems to look dry.
Already?
Is you recording?
Yeah. Make sure there's no leaks. Never. Ready?
Yeah. Holy fuck, dude, that shit burned the fuck out of me.
Huh? No leaks?
No. It started smoking because it started burning.
What the fuck? Hell no. They don't chat. That's crazy. Lucky my brother told me to turn it off. I got scared. So, I mean, it's a lot of smoke. I gotta lie. But hey, it cranked though.